In this slide, I will talk about acute pancreatitis. This is a pathology slide that can be asked during exams. So, this is the normal parenchyma, and this is the destroyed parenchyma. This whole part is the destroyed parenchyma. Okay, basically, what happens is acute pancreatitis is seen in the patients, okay, with excess alcohol intake, or it may occur after uh, viral infection. Okay, so these are the two most common causes. So what happens is, because of insult to the pancreas, because of alcohol or virus, there can be destruction of the tissues. Okay, so imagine, so these are the cells of the pancreas. Okay, so this will be destroyed, and this will release lipase, amylase, etc., peptidase, okay, etc., the enzymes from the cells, and this will cause the destruction of the parenchyma, because these are chymotrypsinogens. Okay, means they are not in activated form. Okay, they are released from the pancreas into the pancreatic duct. They will enter the duodenum, and there, because of trypsinogen, this all enzymes will be activated. Okay, but because of this inflammation, they will be released inside the parenchyma, and this will now start digesting and destroying the tissues. Okay, this will destroy the fat part, this will destroy the protein part, okay, of the pancreas, and this will lead to inflammation. This will cause increased number of mononuclear cell infiltration, again cytokine release, and again damage, and so vicious cycle goes on. Okay, so how the patient will come to the OPD is, he will complain of epigastric pain, which is relieved on bending forwards. Okay, this is a typical sign, okay, I mean symptom of the patient. Then you can do CT scan to find out the pathology in the pancreas. There you can see the inflammation, there's a edema of the pancreas. Then you can do various tests like lipase. Okay, you can do lipase and amylase test. Okay, these are very specific for acute pancreatitis, and you need to give the supportive treatment. You need to admit the patient, and you need to give the supportive treatment. Okay, so, and if we take the biopsy, then what we can see, okay, that the pathologist, what pathologists will see is, this is a normal parenchyma. Now see this. This is the fat necrosis. Okay, so because of this lipase release and other enzyme released, okay, the fat which is contained in the pancreas, okay, will be necrosed. So there will be necrosis of the fat. So this type of necrosis will be seen. Then because of inflammatory substances, okay, the endothelium, this is the vessel wall. Okay, this is a vessel. Endothelium will be damaged, and there will be necrosis inside the vessel. Okay, then this all areas are hemorrhages, and these are small cells, these are the inflammatory cells. Okay, so this way you can come to the diagnosis. Yeah, this is the acute pancreatitis. We don't do biopsy in acute pancreatitis patient, but this can be asked in pathology slides. Okay, so you should know this. Okay, this is a normal parenchyma, this is fat necrosis, wall is damaged, because mostly what happens is, this is the normal vessel wall. You can see here there is no necrotic debris here, but there is a necrotic debris here. So this way you can diagnose, okay, yeah, this is the necrotic debris. Okay, these are the inflammatory infiltrate. So yeah, that's all for this video.